Oh, Thokozani Makhehla, Hotel Royals, ngiyavusela nina bendlu emnyama. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngomoya kaAsa. UAsa ngesizulu sithi umvuseleli. Yilo moya ovuselela yonke into emhlabeni. Uqala nini uAsa? UAsa umoya kaAsa umoya kamvuseleli oqala nge-23 zika September uma siqala osisungula unyaka omusha. Thina who are in the southern hemisphere, i-calendar esiyuzayo manje eyuzwayo government, i-calendar yabantu abase northern hemisphere. Manje ke ukuyichaza nje kancane lento. Ilanga njengoba bokuyi-winter la South Africa and the southern hemisphere is because ilanga belise northern hemisphere. So manje ke on the 21st of September seliya suka officially le northern hemisphere lingena kulo muqa esibiza ukuthi imaginary line of equator, lingena ku equator, lingena on the 21st of September. Then the 21st, the 22nd, on the 23rd, it makes 1 degree southwards, meaning kuti iqala ke a new cycle on the southern hemisphere. Ingakho sithi uAsa umvuseleli ngoba ngokwasekhemu he's the green god. Why? Because manje seke yakhona ukuphefumula. Ukuphefumula kukaAsa sikubona ngemvelo. Everything starts greening makufika lesikhathi sika mandulo uSeptember. Manje ke ingakho sithi umoya uyaconfirma ilanga kusho ukuthi seliqala ukusondela emhlabeni njengoba belisiqhelele ngesikhathi sobusika or iwinter. Manje ke on the 23rd of September ilanga seliyaconfirma ukuthi cha sengila e-southern hemisphere. Lihambeke kanjalo ulizwe liyofika ku-summer solstice ngo-December nge-23. Manje ke umoya okhona ngale season or le nyanga kaSeptember thina sithi ama-season, and inkosi yale season uAsa umvuseleli, the renewer, ngoba yonke into iyavuseleleka. Umhlabathi siyawubona nawo uyaqala manje ukuvunda. Sesiyakhona ukuthi silahleleke imbewu ezoqhakaza mhlambe ngo-October. Manje ke umoya okhona thina ke bantu usaffecta ngendlela eziningi, ngoba yingakho makufika lesikhathi abantu bafikelwa imibono emisha noma amacebo amasha, new ideas, just come up, during this time. Why? Because everything is being renewed, not only earth but everything that exists or is alive on earth iya-renewa. Le energy ke yiyo ke okumele si-align kuyo as we begin the year, meaning ukuthi isikhathi lesi esihle kakhulu ukuthi siqale even ama-plans ethu. Lokho silokho sikuplana yiso ke isikhathi sokuqala izinto lezi ukuthi mawuqale into stand a better chance ukuthi isucceed ngoba isupportwa umoya. The natural flow of energy will be supporting whatever ideas or plans you are starting to implement. So yiso isikhathi soku-implementa. Even nemizimba yethu yabuna thola ukuthi siyashintsha iskin, siyabuna ngoba isikhathi nje esivuselelayo. Manje ke Makhehla into nje esizoqhubuzela ukuthi kunemiphahlo siyaye siyenze. Siphahla zine ikhathi ezisemqoka kakhulu zokuphahla kwethu la sikhuluma khona nale mimoya of the season. Ingakho abantu kumele bathole incwadi, the calendar book, eproduced iGEC, you know, a Great Empire of Kemet Nsingiza Mandela Foundation. Nayo calendar ikhona nayo. They must go on to our social media pages for them to actually get that information. But zine inkati esemqoka 6 o'clock ekseni, 12 o'clock emini. From 6 o'clock ilanga mawuliphuma ilanga lapha emkhathizweni kuze kufike u12. Yiso isikhathi esihle leso sokuthi ucele whatever oyifisayo ukuthi ingenzeka kulelanga leli esikulo. Isikhathi sokucela ke from 6 to 12 emini. 12 is the highest point ilanga eli-reachayo ngelanga. So that is the point ukuthi ilanga meselifika lapho, the highest point kukuthi yonke into oyicelayo or uyicelile seyizwakele mhlambe ke bese ke ukuthi makufika la ku12 siya ku6 intambama manje, but from 12 noon ukuya ku6 intambama awusaceli. So uyabonga ngoba ilanga seliluza amandla, awukwazi ukucela ilanga ukuthi alisenamandla okwenza zonke izifiso zakho ifezeke. So isikhathi sokucela u6 ekseni to 12 o'clock, then from 12 o'clock to 6 intambama uyabonga. Ngo6 futhi ushonisa yona inhlamvana yelanga shokuthi uyalikhapha ilanga meliselishona seliyokhanyisa kwezinye indawo shokuthi lishone neinda nemibongo yakho, so that mayilivela futhi kusasa, you know, mawulamukela futhi ukuthi that consciousness isekhona manje ke from 6 intambama bese ke uphahla futhi ngo12 ebusuku. Sisazoyikhuluma indaba yesikhathi ngoba nasi isikhathi esamba ngaso it's not really aligned, but lamahora njengokubekela wona njengo12 ebusuku. U12 ebusuku upowerful, you know, kakhulu ngoba ilanga at that time it's at its lowest point, but from lapho liqala ke manje seliyakhuphuka ukuze seliyavele ke ekseni, mina ukuthi mawuqale lapho uphahla ngaleso sikhathi whatever oyifisayo ilanga mase likhuphuka seliyovela ekseni, you know, livela nazi indaba zakho. Ingakho lo 12 wasebusuku usemqoka nawo ke kakhulu makhehla. Kepha ngiyabonga ke makhehla, ngithembe ukuthi ni understand ke le season ubumqoka bayo ukuthi iyavuselela yonke into is being renewed on earth. Nawe iba conscious, ubheka ama signs ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho, because signs will definitely be there, you know, to actually make you aware ukuthi kwenzakalani lo shintsho lwenzakala kanjani, and ube conscious even ama ideas afikayo ngalesikhathi vele isikhathi of new ideas. So ama new ideas would automatically come, so just embrace that and go with the natural flow of things, so that izinto zakho must have a better chance of succeeding. Thokozani makhehla, thokozani.